Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now this vehicle does come with over £2,500 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have the LED headlights, the black Kindergirls, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now with the night packs, the Shadow Edition, you do get the black wing mirrors. You also have a sunroof which is currently open. You have your black window trim with privacy glass on the rear, and you do also get your front and rear parking sensors with visual display. Dual exit exhaust flush at the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. You also have that rear boot spoiler, power release rear tailgate with a nice spacious size boot with the storage net on the left hand side. You also have the extended storage. You do also get storage just underneath there as well. Popping that boot back down and stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and it really does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have the full Dakota leather seats throughout with the Isofix point pull down armrest just there, which reveals 2 nice size cup holders. You get your storage nets behind the passenger and the driver's seat with your 12-volt connectivity in the centre. Integrated premium Harman Kardon speakers with your electric windows, gloss black trim just there as well. Going to the front, there's a quick look at the driver's front seat, fully heated, and also you get the extended thigh support. You have your electric windows, your integrated Harman Kardon speakers just there. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the clutch, you do also have your keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel, you also have your auto high beam assist just there. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard. And it's covered just over 55,400 miles. Now we have the screen just in the centre where you can currently see your satellite navigation. You have your media connectivity, so you do have your DAB, scroll across. You have your FM, AM, CD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. You also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Now we do get different drive modes, so you do get Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. You can also have your Sports display just there, which is kilowatts of power that you're currently using and newton meters of torque there as well. But we can't do reverse, front and rear parking sensors just there. Coming down here, dual zone climate control works exactly how you'd expect it to, with your 2 heated front seats, again working exactly how you would expect them to. Storage tray just there, pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, traction control on and off, your drive mode select, parking sensors on and off, very smooth 6-speed manual gearbox, goes into all the gears exactly how you would expect them to, no multi crunches. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen with your BMW individual trim just there. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath and also a 12-volt USB port. There's a look at the passenger's front seat, again with the extended thigh support just there. Looking up to close the sunroof, so you press that button just there and it will then close. You can also have it on tilt, pull the blind shut just like so. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.